Want more privacy on TikTok? Here's how to hide your followers, even following lists the right way possible. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. Now here's the thing, people can tap your profile and easily see your followers and who you are following, even if they don't follow you. And that's why privacy settings matter. So now to hide this, you have to tap the hamburger menu and go to settings and privacy. So here you have to go to privacy, and now you first have to go to following list and set it to only you. This will hide who you actually follow, but if you want to hide your follower list, there is no separate toggle for that, but the only way is to switch your account to private. So you just have to switch your account to a private account, and once your account is private, non-followers can see your followers or following list. Only approved follower can see your profile details. And that's how you can make your TikTok account more private. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.